Tyranny comprehension check. Answer the following questions after reading the station. Write your first name in the box here. Then write your last name in the box here. You will then select your class cycle number. Number 1. Who forced the oligarchs from power? Kings, tyrants, farmers. Number 2. What is a tyranny? Ruling power is in the hands of someone who took power by force, not a lawful king. Ruling power is in the hands of the people, or ruling power is in the hands of the aristocrats. Number 3. How is tyranny different from a monarchy? A tyrant cannot claim that he has a legal right to rule. A tyrant's son usually does not inherit his father's power, or both. What type of people were tyrants? Most tyrants were military leaders who gained support of the people by threatening them. Most tyrants were military leaders who gained support of the people by promising them more rights. Or most tyrants were aristocrats. And number 5, how did tyrants lose power in Athens? Tyrants who helped their people were overthrown. Tyrants who did not help the people were overthrown. Tyrants who helped farmers were overthrown.